are at Cec's birthday party. Hi, vlog!
Hi, vlog! Welcome to my hello! Thank you, Miss Ces.
Thank you!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Sana ibang busog mo kami.
Ano what?
Hindi.
Blue day. Naka-blue. Hindi, naka-ano siya. Naka-blue. Eh, gutom na gutom, girl.
Gutom na gutom, girl. Ako rin, di ba ako nakain na ako?
Doon pa sa ano? Hindi ka kain ng lunch.
Nag-lunch naman ako.
Nag-lunch kami. Sabay kami ni Ces.
Oo, kami lang yung sa'yo. Happy birthday lunch ko. Dalawa kami.
True, mga hindi nag-lunch. Hindi nag-lunch.
Siyempre, nag-lunch tayo.
Sabi si Party Tuesday. Sabi ko siya siya entertain. Paano siya natawa? Nagulat ako eh. Siyempre ako, gusto ko kami.
Ay.
Party host.
Party host. Okay, next. Apple pie or
Ay, no.
cake?
Ayaw niya nun, ayaw niya nun. Apple pie versus cake. Kakausap lang natin ngayon, isa lang yung cake na bibilhin. Kasi ayaw mo, pagkakilala ka sa kanila. Oh, so, nabiktima ka. Now I'm on the podium, excuse me guys.
Okay. Double points. Guys, double points. Romance, mystery.
Ay, may romance. Ay, siyempre no.
Romance?
Oo, mystery.
I'm on the podium.
Romance.
Oy, double points yun ah. Okay, next. Ay, si Carla, grabe.
Carla pa rin. Tandaan mong araw na to, Carla.
Potato chips, nachos.
Ay, potato chips. Ayun yung nachos kanina.
Ay, wow. Wait, kasi pag inaano ko siya ng chips, ayaw na yun eh.
Okay, next question.
Kasi may dalawang choice lang eh.
Ay, wow, Miss Nori ah. Lumalaban.
Gusto mo magkapit bahay, nag-usap yan.
Okay, next question. Sweet or salty?
Alam ko, hindi. Ayaw na naman
Sweet?
sweet. Hindi.
Excuse me, sweet siya. Ayun na maala. Excuse me, podium ulit.
Opa, Kulida King. Very competitive.
Yeah, I already reminded him.
Okay, it's just a game still. But I like the okay, si natin. Si Nori.
Cooking TV or sports TV?
Ayun lang, gusto niyo pagkain siyempre. Anong mabusog? Sports, TV or cooking TV? Cooking siyempre. Para sa
Sa DBL eh. Who got the first?
Carla, Sir Philip, Nori.
My birthday to this day.
Okay, snow or sun?
Ay, saan? Siyempre. Doon sa mga snow kayo dyan. Kaya nakakasampat.
Sa picture pa lang, no? Sa picture pa lang eh.
Dami yung organization eh.
Alright, okay, next question.
I'm 7 already. Oh my God, the last. I'm the last.
Italy or Japan?
Bali ka?
Hindi, tama yan.
Ay,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Japan.
Pabilisan na lang to. 6.
pabilisan nga to, pabilisan. Alright, double points, double points. Dapat mabilis yung pagpindot. Be the boss or employee?
Employee, siyempre. Mag-receive yan eh.
You want to be employee?
ka, hindi kita
You want to be employee? You want to be employee? Ayaw naman. You want to be employee?
Siyempre, sa
Ayaw
visit
niya
yan.
maging boss.
Nalungkot siya.
Gusto niyo, ayaw maging boss at maging employee. Ako gusto maging boss.
Alright, next question. Cruise or camping?
Siyempre, may talk. Ay, mali! But still,
Cruise.
I'm on the podium.
Okay, next. Double points, double points. Super speed or flight?
Naku, hindi ko binasa yung tanong.
Hindi ko sure.
Uy!
Sorry! Nag-correction ako. Sorry.
Uy! Uy, makabayad. Makabayad yung tani. Alright.
Sorry.
Okay, next question.
Sorry. Ayoko na naging
Quiet or loud music? Ayan.
Wow!
Kaya nga siya may malaking effort.
Sa bagay, oo nga naman. Siling.
Uy, ba't may Bida King? Oh my God.
O, diba?
Like quiet?
No, loud music.
I'm at the last one.
It's okay. Let's choose.
Because you're not
Bida Bida.
Board game, your game.
Board game. Ayaw yung mag-board.
Okay.
Nasa likod ako nag-dashi. Teka lang kasi, taas kasi yung pressure.
Go, Miss Zila.
What are you?
Video chat or text?
I'm behind you.
Alright.
Behind you.
Hindi. Video. Vanilla or chocolate?
Alam mo, chocolate.
No, vanilla yan.
Chocolate, chocolate. Nagbago na ba, sir?
Simula kahapon nagbago.
Nagbago na. Okay, next.
Nung kaya pala pa-preview yung chocolate.
Cat or dog?
Dog. Of course, I'm number 1.
Ay, wow. Alright, next. Malapit na tayo, guys. New shoes, new purse.
New balance tayo dyan.
Ay, wow. New balance.
How many questions?
31.
Ha?
31.
31. Kailangan ko yung double point.
Double points. Pabilisan na. Ice cream or cake? Okay, this time it's ice cream. Si Carla ang bilis umindot.
Focus na kasi.
Alright, next. Cable or Netflix? May cable pa ba? Hindi na kayo straight.
Joke lang. Sorry.
Double points.
HBO wala.
May HBO Max din ako.
Manicure, pedicure.
Pedicure. Kasi yun na makikita. Kaya kasi kailangan na.
Pedi.
May siya maglakad. Sa sinalatago, gano'n.
Ay, grabe na to si Carla B.
Ganun talaga yun.
Parang nag-absent yata para mag-study.
Ay, fries.
Chips or fries?
Pag itong 31 na, 31 questions?
Yes. Alright, last question. Last question. Ay, walang
Isa dyan,
bigas
syempre.
na.
Doon ako parang picture.
Alright, so we're done. Podium winners. Third, Kenneth.
Syempre.
Vida King. And Carla Girl.
Bumanda ka para. Second.
Vida King. Second. Sila Girl. Sarap. We should share this potato. Potato.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hindi ka lang ito rin. Hindi ka ba kayo dito? Tapos ito lang sila.
Chukami na!
Chowa yan. coffee, Zilla girl. Coffee.
Ayan, eto na. Kumusta naman po ang ano natin, hoy, teka lang, may interview tayo. Ha? Oh, teka. Kumusta naman ang gastusan natin?
Basta kasama mo si Mama Bear, sagot ang problema mo. Solve ang problema mo.
Hey guys, jadi kita bahasa Indonesia ya. Hey guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
We are still starting.
I will do giveaway.
Giveaway.
For the first 5 comments, you will
Si
receive.
Tato. I will give this as giveaway.
For the first 5 comments, we will pray for you. You just write down your prayer request.
Pinabablog kami tapos pinapaan niya. The prayer request.
Okay,
Please pray for Zilla.
So I will have Jojo. These two. Jack, I'm flying.
Jack?
Jack, I'm flying. Maganda. Excuse me. This is better than birds, yeah?
Of course, this is more expensive. Beautiful, beautiful. Tadaan!
Welcome to our house. Naisend sa magulang.
Okay lang, mag-video ako, Miss Shani. Okay lang.
Ito mo yung kitchen. This is the guest room.
Ay, huy, ang ganda. Uy, guys.
That's why
We can sleep here. We can sleep here.
over here, yeah? Yeah. Let's have overnight. Like example, Friday. Yeah. If we're not busy. Yeah.
Holiday. Huy, holiday sa 16.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's sleep over here. Okay, we don't need it. Hi!
Parang hello, Jakarta, gano'n.
Ano, guest toilet?
Ay, may guest toilet? Ay, wow. Uy, sana all. Uy, sana all may guest toilet. Oh, pak.
Arcade. Dream
Arcade.
Dream arcade. Web Academy. Sige, mo yung main bedroom.
Ay, sige nga. Sige nga, be. Ay, wow. Uy, wow. Wow naman. Oh, pak. Of course, Coke. Noodles.
Mukbang yan.
Yes, noodles. Mukbang. Mukbang with Zilla girl.
Hi!